Hi friends, welcome back. And I haven't done an unboxing video in a while, so today we're gonna do the unboxing of the Germania Mint, uh, the Valkyrie Ostara series. This is the 2 ounce ultra high relief coin. I'm a big fan of Germania Mint, so I got the coin from Swan Bullion. Fantastic coin, and I can't wait to show this to you guys. I'm very excited about this one. So let's do a quick unboxing. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and support, which means everything to me, so I can be motivated and make more videos. Here we are. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Look at the presentation. It's pretty amazing. Alright, let's take this out. Still admire it for a bit. So we have the certificate of authenticity here. That's the first thing we saw. And then I'm gonna open this one. So that's the certificate of authenticity. So limited mintage of 999 coins. So this coin is the 453th one. 453. 2 ounce ultra high relief, comes with the hologram at the back. Let's check out the coin. Wow. So it's a wooden casing. Wow. Simply amazing coin. Look at that details. That comes in the presentation case. Check out the back. How cool is that coin there? And check out the presentation. Everything is brilliant. The design, the details on this coin, amazing. In Australia it's a bit dear, but it's worth every single cent, in my opinion. So beautiful. And I'm pretty sure there is a stand in here, but I'll later on find that one. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. I will see you soon with another video.